The benefits of a thin and compact wireless keyboard are boundless. Gone are the days of bulky keyboards dominating your workspace. The Jlab Epic wireless keyboard challenges the status quo with its streamlined slim profile, which increases portability and efficient space utilization. Right from the start, the Epic wireless keyboard captures attention with its stylish appearance and robust construction. Made with a metal frame, it finds the perfect blend between visual appeal and durability. The base boasts a matte black plastic finish that creates a stunning contrast with the space gray metal frame, lending a sense of sophistication. Moving to the upper front, you'll notice a glossy plastic trim adorned with Jlab branding and two illuminated status LEDs. Taking a closer look at its base, you'll observe 6 sizable rubber strips and an integrated elevated section. Discreetly tucked beneath is the USB-A port. Notably, this elevated section is ingeniously crafted to serve as a fixed solution for raising the keyboard, a thoughtful alternative to the absence of conventional adjustable keyboard legs. Incorporated into the Epic wireless keyboard is a media knob located at the upper right corner. This knob rests atop a rotary encoder that allows for endless rotation and includes a clickable feature. This clever design not only facilitates precise volume adjustment but also offers the ease of play, pause and track navigation. The knob operates with a notched, ratchet-like actuation for enhanced usability. The striking thinness of the Epic wireless keyboard is paired with a low-profile board, keycaps, and scissor switches, with a travel distance of 1.8 mm, all illuminated by white LEDs. When typing, you'll notice a soft and quiet experience with a tactile response, reminiscent of typing on an ultra-thin laptop. If you're not accustomed to this style of typing, using the Epic wireless keyboard might initially feel a bit soft until you become accustomed to its unique feel. While its sleek appearance might suggest otherwise, the Epic wireless keyboard is, in fact, a full-sized keyboard boasting 108 keys, exceeding the average of 104 keys typically found in regular full-sized keyboards. This comprehensive layout incorporates a numerical keypad, 3 customizable keys, and 12 shortcut keys suitable for diverse devices like Mac, PC, and Android. However, it's worth noting that personalizing these keys isn't a direct on-keyboard process. Instead, it involves utilizing desktop software, specifically the Jlab Work app. When considering dimensions, the keyboard's design has been meticulously crafted. The top row of keys rests at a comfortable height of 2.2 cm, ensuring an ergonomic typing experience. The media knob, at 3 cm in height, remains conveniently accessible, while the bottom row's height of 1.8 cm maintains a consistent typing angle. The slender keyboard frame, measuring 0.7 cm in thickness, enhances its visual allure and perfectly complements its modern aesthetic. Overall, the keyboard's dimensions, spanning 14.5 cm in depth and 43 cm in length, seamlessly integrate into diverse workspaces. The 11.6 cm length of the spacebar contributes to a standard bottom row layout. The Epic wireless keyboard tips the scales at 735 grams. The standout feature of the Epic wireless keyboard lies in its effortless connectivity, allowing for swift and smooth switching between 2 Bluetooth connections and one 2.4 GHz wireless connection. This seamless connectivity establishes the Epic wireless keyboard as a dependable and effective partner for both work and leisure situations, solidifying its status as a valuable addition to any setup that prioritizes the perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality.